Did you know that your front yard can actually increase your home's value by up to 20%? And you don't even need to hire a professional landscaper to do it? Picture this. You pull into your driveway after a long day, and instead of a dull patch of grass, you see a beautifully designed front yard that feels warm, welcoming, and full of personality. It doesn't have to cost a fortune or take weeks of hard work. In fact, with a few clever ideas and some creativity, you can give your home a stunning makeover that instantly boosts its curb appeal. In this video, I'll share simple, low-cost landscaping ideas that can completely transform the front of your house, whether you're going for a modern look, a cozy cottage style, or something in between. So stay with me till the end, because these ideas are easy to follow and will make a real difference in how your home looks and feels. Hey everyone, I'm your name, and welcome back to Green Answers. If you're new here, I share practical home and garden tips to help you create spaces you love. Today we're diving into front yard landscaping ideas, ways to turn that space in front of your house into something beautiful, functional, and full of charm. You don't need expensive materials or a team of designers. All it takes is a little planning and a few smart choices. Whether your yard is big or small, I've got ideas you can start trying this weekend. Think of it as giving your home a fresh first impression, the kind that makes visitors say, "Wow," before they even step inside. We'll cover everything from pathways and plant layering to lighting and low-maintenance design. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear vision for how to make your home's entrance truly stand out. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's start reimagining the front of your house together. The first idea is to add a welcoming pathway. A well-designed path not only guides people to your door, but also adds structure to your yard. You can use stepping stones, bricks, or gravel, whatever suits your style and budget. Next, think about layering your plants. Place taller shrubs or small trees in the back, medium-height flowers in the middle, and low-growing ground cover at the front. This gives your garden a full, balanced look that feels intentional. Lighting is another key element. Solar lights along walkways or spotlights aimed at trees and plants can make your home look magical at night. Don't forget about borders. Use stone or wood edging to neatly define flower beds and grass areas. Adding a focal point like a water feature, colorful plant, or sculpture draws the eye and adds personality. And when choosing plants, coordinate colors that complement your home's exterior for a polished look. Finally, make it low maintenance. Use mulch to reduce weeds, install drip irrigation, and pick drought-tolerant plants if you live in a dry area. These little touches make a big difference without demanding constant upkeep. And there you have it. Simple yet powerful landscaping ideas that can completely transform the front of your house. Remember, you don't need to do everything at once. Start small. Maybe begin with a pathway, add some lighting, or plant a few colorful flowers near your entrance. Each change adds up and helps create a space that reflects your personality and pride in your home. The goal isn't just to make your yard look pretty, it's to make your house feel more inviting and enjoyable for you, your family, and your guests. So, take these ideas, make them your own, and watch how even small improvements can make your home feel brand new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home and garden inspiration, and share it with someone who's planning a makeover too. I'd love to hear which idea you'll try first, so drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.